Let us see the next sloka. This is third sloka. In some versions of Bhagavad Gita, the 13th chapter starts straight with Bhagavan Uvacha. The Arjuna Uvacha, that question part, Purusham Prakritim Chaiva, that sloka will not be there in some versions. So you understand this can be the second verse in some of the verses of Bhagavad Gita. So with that understanding we proceed. I read this sloka. Kshetrajnam chapi mam viddhi sarvakshetreshu bharata kshetrajnayor jnanam yattajnanam matam mama kshetrajnam chapi mam viddhi sarvakshetreshu bharata kshetrajnayor jnanam yattajnanam matam mama. So he is addressing Arjuna as Bharata. You can see it in so many places. So he says, Bharata, Mam Viddhi, you understand me as Kshetrajnam also. And I am only the Kshetrajna who is there in all fields of activity. So you are able to understand that the God Supreme is present as the knower of the field in all fields, or in this modern understanding. So we can say that God Supreme is there in all systems, big or small, and He knows what the system is all about and how far the system can reach. So have this understanding, it becomes easier. I read the first line again. Kshetrajnam chapi mam viddhi sarvakshetreshu bharata. You Arjuna, you understand me as the knower of the fields in all fields of activity. In all is the understanding. Because knower of the field can be outside also, but it is not so. He is within the field of activity, is the real message in it. The second line. Kshetrajnayor jnanam yattajnanam matam mama. Mama matam. In my opinion is, so Krishna says, Kshetrajnayor jnanam yat, which knowledge is all about the kshetra and the knower of the kshetra. Tat jnanam, that knowledge, in my opinion, is the real knowledge. Are you able to understand? Kshetrajnayor jnanam yattajnanam matam mama. Simply, the knowledge of the kshetra and that of the knower of the kshetra is the real knowledge. This is how the sloka ends. But needs a bit more elaboration with regard to kshetra and kshetrajna, which I am going to say now. Kshetra, in the following slokas you will see, we are not going to attend to them. So in that, Krishna is taking references to the scriptures by the earlier saints, and also he refers to Vedanta, from where we can understand what Kshetra really means. And he continues to say that this Kshetra is consisting of so many things. Number one, the 5 elements, and number 2, all the creations because of the 5 elements, And number 3, all that stimulates or form feed for your sense organs is all kshetra. You now understand how big the kshetra is becoming bigger and bigger and does not end there. And all your intelligence, emotions, and your skill, knowledge that enable the activity based on the information received by the sense of objects, all this put together is kshetra. This is the real understanding of kshetra, and this here kshetra kshetragnyor jnanam, this the kshetra mentioned here means all these put together. Please remember, or simply we can say kshetra is that extent of place from where or the activities of which have an impact on us, or the activities of us have an impact on them, can be kshetra. I think I am clear here. Now coming to kshetrajna. So visualize in your body that kshetrajna is your soul, your atma. But the God Supreme has said in the first line, I am kshetrajna in all sarvakshetreshu, means the God Supreme is also residing in you as a kshetrajna. So remember, your atma and this antaratma are there in your field, and every field it is there, that also you can understand. So we will be guided by antaratma whenever we are in trouble. If this faith is inculcated, you will be always guided in the right and beneficial path. So this understanding you put in while reading this sloka. So I am reading the sloka in full. Kshetrajnam chapi mam viddhi sarvakshetreshu bharata kshetra kshetrajnayor jnanam yattadjnanam matam mama kshetrajnam chapi mam viddhi sarvakshetreshu bharata kshetra kshetrajnayor jnanam yattadjnanam matam mama. Thank you. Hare Krishna.